seconds. Yeah, it's okay.
Yep.
What happened? It goes down? Everyone.
Video?
Yeah, it's kind of neat.
It's a rare event now to be able to see this high. In fact, the 7 manually operated elevators here are the largest collection left in the world. The last big set on the West Coast. There are individual ones and doubles in other buildings, but not a lot.
Okay, one step please. Watch your step.
A lot of the original buildings and things like that. Somebody has to come in and say, you know what, let's make it fancy. Hopefully it stays like that.
Okay, one step please. Enjoy your
Hello everyone, come on in.
Good. That's good, good, good. Okay. Can you squeeze a little bit, sir? Okay, thank you very much.
They have an elevator.
Yeah. Nice, huh? Oh, you see? This is a great experience, huh? You cannot see like this one anymore in the city.
These
I
are
know.
the juniors, I don't think it matters.
Yeah.
It's the same.
Oh, thank you.
Postcard.
That's to tell you about.
You can send it to your friends.
Very neat.
Your,
Friends have to stay home.
yeah. Or you just send it to your father, your grandfather, your sister, your brother, your nephew, if you have. If you have niece, you can send it too. Okay, sir. Ma'am, watch it, please. Have a good night to everyone.